You're going to sit on your mat and your legs are going to be in front of yourselves. Your feet are flexed. You're going to reach for your feet, keep your tailbone lengthening, and your shoulders are down, and pull on your feet so your back is flat. Now you're going to round your spine and let your shoulders move away from your body so they're kind of reaching towards your ears, and just pull on your feet or your ankles, whatever you can do to open up and stretch this upper back area. And then you're going to flatten. So your back is flat, your shoulders are pulling down your spine, your hamstrings are getting a huge stretch. And then you're rounding your spine and pulling away from yourself. And if you want, you can kind of let one leg go away and then the other leg, so you're kind of moving your sit bones back one at a time. Good. And then flatten everything out. Great. Now you're going to take your hands, you're just going to open your chest by clasping your hands together. If you need to sit like this, you can. And just open your chest. Breathing into the stretch. Good. And then you're going to twist. If your back cracks, more power to you. And pressing your hand into your knee, so you're really pressing away with the left arm and rotating with the right. And then you're going to do the other side. So, ooh, you hear that? And you're rotating, you're pressing your hand into your leg and rotating with the opposite arm. Okay, that felt really good. Now you're going to take your leg, your right leg, and kind of bring it underneath your body and just press. You're going to go into a pigeon type pose, I guess, and just press this leg down, opening the hip, rotating if you need to, just reaching away. This is very hard for some people, so you might not get very far. You might just get like this, and that's okay. And then you're going to do the other side. So you're reaching out, trying to sink deeper into your hips, breathing. Good. Okay, so I feel much looser now. We're going to go onto our backs and just kind of rock from side to side. Good. You're going to bring one leg in towards your body and you're going to pull that knee in so you get that deep hip stretch. Shoulders are pressing into the mat and down. And then you're going to switch. So you're pulling that leg in, feeling the deep crease of your hip. Your shoulders are down. And just really pull it in. Good. You're going to make a number 4 with your legs and press the knee into, so you're pressing the knee that's crossing away from you and you're pulling the other knee in towards your body. So your hips stay square. There's not a lot of shifting happening and you'll feel that deep stretch along the side of your body. So here you go. On the other side, you're going to press the knee away, pull the other knee in. Try and make sure that your hips are square, so this can tend to happen where they shift. Pull it in, keeping that squareness, and pressing the other leg away. Good. You can give yourself a little hug. Then reach your leg long. You're going to you're going to keep your hips down. You're going to take your opposite arm and kind of press into the calf while you're dropping your hip and pointing your toes towards the floor. And then you're going to do the other side. So you're reaching your leg long and you're keeping your opposite hip down and you're pointing your toes to the floor. You're going to roll up, grab for your toes, open your chest, look up to the sky. Um, take one arm, reach it up. Keep your neck long so you get that nice side body stretch. And then the other side, keeping your shoulder down, reaching, getting another side body stretch. Ooh, great. And to finish off, you're going to let your head go down. You're going to roll. Shaking no and yes. And then slowly rolling your spine up vertebrae by vertebrae until your head is the last thing to come up. You're going to circle your shoulders back, circle your shoulders forward, and now you can move on with the rest of your day.